At Summit Services, our company was founded on one simple belief: customers deserve the best possible experience every time. We proudly serve the Lowcountry with dependable electrical solutions built on trust and expertise. Every installation, repair, or service visit is handled with attention to detail and professionalism. As a reliable electrical contractor in Bluffton, South Carolina, we help homeowners maintain safe and efficient electrical systems. From panel upgrades and lighting installations to troubleshooting and repairs, we deliver solutions you can rely on. Our work is designed to meet today's standards while preparing your home for the future. We believe great service starts with clear communication and honest recommendations. You'll always know what to expect before any work begins. When you choose Summit Services, you're choosing a team that stands behind its work. Call us today at 843-836-2653 or visit callsummitservices.com/products/electrical. Summit Services, quality service, trusted workmanship.